how to change username in Roblox. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how to change your username on Roblox. So first thing, just head over to your Roblox application, and once you're inside here, make sure you have already logged into your account. And to change your Roblox username, just tap on this user icon or user account username. Just tap on this and simply select this user edit profile. So once you're inside here, so before you decide to change your username, you need to read something that is, as you can see, when you log in for the first time on Roblox, you will be given your unique name by the Roblox application themselves, and changing your username will cost you 1000 Roblox coins. So once you decide to change it, as you can see, you need to have sufficient funds, that is 1000 coin, to change your username. So you can simply buy it if you want, and once you buy the sufficient funds, you can simply or easily change the username from over here. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.